So hundreds of students from India have been stuck in Iran, and thousands of NRIs and Indian nationals have been stuck in Israel. And India has launched Operation Sindhu to evacuate its nationals from Iran. 100 Indian nationals, including over 300, have been brought back so far in 3 charter flights. And more are likely to be brought going forward as well. Let me now get in Tanushka, who's spoken to some of these students who've been brought back from the war zone, the entire Operation Sindhu, what has been the entire process, how they've been in touch with the embassy there, and what's been the process all along. Tanushka gets this report where she's spoken to some of these students who've come back.
We're at Terminal 3 at Delhi Airport, wherein these Operation Sindhu flights from Iran have just landed back with 280 Indian national students, and we're being joined by, the family member of someone who's on the flight as well, who's come back from Iran. Ma'am, tell us your name and, walk us through the feelings that you have felt in these past days.
My name is Alina Rizvi and I'm from Delhi, and my parents, my brother family and my auntie's family, they went for a pilgrimage trip for just a week time. And unfortunately, whatever happened, so we were in so much panic, anxiety. But we are so thankful to Government of India, all the MEA officials, our Indian embassy team who helped us each step here also, because we were contacted from India also, and those who are stranded there, they are, Indian embassy is helping at each step there also. And just half an hour before, I received a call from my mother that they have landed safely. So thank you, Indian government, thank you, Indian embassy, and thank you to all Operation Sindhu team.
There were drones and missiles flying over our head, no communication channels, the internet was down, the lines were down, the international roaming was down, so we were completely cut off from the rest of the world. We were having problems on the shortage of the food supplies as well, because many of the workers who were supplying food, they ran away. So problems were there, but somehow with the support of Government of India, we were never left behind. So I'm very thankful to the Government of India for the support they have given to us.
वहाँ पे तो हालात सही नहीं हैं इस वक्त। तो हम लोग को गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने हम लोग का बहुत अच्छा वहाँ पे इंतज़ाम किया था, बहुत ही सुकून से हम लोग वहाँ पे थे। होटल में हम लोग का सब इंतज़ाम किया था, खाना पीना रहना सब बेहतरीन 5 स्टार होटल दिया था, और सारी सुविधा जो हो सकती है बहुत अच्छी सुविधा हम लोग को दी। और उसके बाद बोला था कि आप लोग यहीं पे रहिए, हम इंशाल्लाह मेरी गाड़ी आएगी आप लोग को एयरपोर्ट लेके जाएगी। तो उन्होंने कल जो है हम लोग की उनकी गाड़ी आई और हमको लेके कल हमको यहाँ पहुँचा दिया। आज हमारे ग्रुप के जो है 73 लोग जो थे वो आज पहुँचे।
आपसे भी बात करते हैं। मैम, आप बताएं कि आप वहाँ से आ रही हैं, आपको मतलब आपने क्या सब देखा वहाँ पर?
यहाँ पर हम लोग जो गए थे वो ईरान में हम लोगों का 1 वीक का वहाँ पर रुकने का था, लेकिन हम लोग जिस वक्त मशहद आए हैं करबला से, मतलब मशहद आए हैं नजफ से, तो हम लोगों ने देखा कि इजराइल ने अटैक किया है और वहाँ के हालात बहुत ज़्यादा टेंशन में हम लोग आ गए। तो हमारे कारवान ने, ये निहाल साहब ने हम लोगों के लिए ये कोशिश शुरू कर दी, इंडिया गवर्नमेंट से राब्ता कायम किया कि इन लोगों को जल्द से जल्द यहाँ से अब इंडिया पहुँचाया जाए, जो जहाँ से आए। तो इनकी कोशिशों से और आप लोगों के सहयोग से हम लोग यहाँ पर आ गए।
Missile came from Israel and they targeted officials of Iranian government. We were there. It was a very targeted attack from there till yesterday.
And even today, there have been escalations with the US also bombing 3 key nuclear sites. So what were, your anxieties and tensions as of today specifically?
We were slightly anxious as to whether we might, go ahead with as what the government has planned for us. But we had full faith in the government. We had full faith in our group leader, Mr. Nihal Haider of Karwan-e-Noor, that whatever happened, Indian government will provide a very safe passage, and they did provide everything. Everything was safe, from the hotel stay to the bus, the route from the hotel to the Mashhad terminal, international terminal, till the time we were in the flight.
I'm a resident permit of Iran, born and brought up in Iran. I'm not a tourist over there. The things were tough over there. Yeah, seeing a bomb blast every now and then, just like being a happy Diwali to us. But things were tough. Things were scary, but somehow, yes, we managed to come.
So, being a national from Iran itself, but being Indian, of course, you're coming back to, one could say, your soil at this point. How does this feel?
It feels great. It feels good. All thanks to Indian Embassy for doing it for us. and the airline which I work in doing it for us.
ये सिचुएशन तो बहुत पैनिक वाली थी और बहुत ही ज़्यादा लोग डरे हुए थे, खास करके क्योंकि हमारे टूर में ज़्यादातर जो है वो औरतें थी, तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा डरावनी थी। मिसाइल्स दिख रही हैं, साउंड्स हैं ऐसे और ये सब कुछ हो रहा था, लेकिन थैंकफुली हम लोग अपने देश वापस आ गए हैं, उसकी ज़्यादा खुशी हो रही है क्योंकि वो सोचा भी नहीं था कि हम आ पाएंगे कि नहीं आ पाएंगे। होटल के अंदर बंद है और समझ नहीं आ रहा था किससे कांटेक्ट करें, इंटरनेट बंद है, तो बहुत ही पैनिक वाली सिचुएशन थी, बहुत ही खौफनाक था।